Parents, remember when we were young and we were really worried about kids being kidnapped? Well, that is alive and well, but now it's called human trafficking. I'm going to show you a hand signal so that you know what to look out for. In 2021 alone, there were more than 10,000 cases of students, kids being trafficked. And it's not just kids of a certain age, it can even be adults. Human trafficking does not require movement. Trafficking can occur in one's hometown or even in their own home. It's very nuanced. Many survivors have been trafficked by romantic partners, including spouses, and by family members, including parents. Canadian Women's Foundation created this hand signal that you can see on the screen to alert others that they're in danger. Now, here's what it looks like. You take your hand like this, you'll see somebody do this, and they'll do that, and they will trap their thumb. So they'll put the palm to the camera and tuck the thumb, and if you ever see that, that means someone is being trafficked and they need help.